I'd like to start by showing you the end face of a polished fibre optic connector. This is what you're looking at. There are three areas: the ferrule, which houses the fibre in white, the fibre itself in grey, and finally the core, which you can see flashing in the centre. Now I want to show you scale, so I'm putting my finger over the end of the fibre, like so. What you're seeing now are the ridges from oil that's just on my fingerprint. Now one ridge covers the entire fibre, as you can see, including the core. Now every time I do this, it reminds me how fragile fibre optics are and how easily they are to get damaged. Hi, my name is Richard Kershaw. I'm the MD of Alker Fibre Optics. We specialise in the design, manufacture and support of fibre optics within harsh environments. There's an increasing demand to use fibre optics within harsh environments, and we offer solutions which increase reliability and performance, which in turn extends the in-service life of your equipment. We do this by protecting the delicate fibre with our range of armoured assemblies, and I have some examples I would like to show you. Okay, we're starting with this stainless steel 9mm armoured cable. We have divided up the fibre through a two-way breakout cable, and this particular example is in service for off-aircraft maintenance. This is an example of combining armours: 9mm stainless steel armour, transferring to a waterproof jacketed armour, and then finally out using our armoured solution at less than 2mm in diameter. We have a number of these sensing on oil rigs. I'd like to stay with the micro armouring just for a moment, as it's an excellent choice where space and weight must be kept to a minimum. At less than 2mm diameter, stainless steel, and only 5 grams per metre, its applications are endless. As you can see here, it's also very flexible. We have these on UAVs, aircraft, ROVs, even wind farms. However extreme your environment is, we can offer a better solution for your fibre optics. We have yet to come up against a fibre optic problem that we cannot solve. In fact, we enjoy the challenge. The possibilities for fibre optics are endless, and we would love to have a conversation to discuss how we can help you. I hope we hear from you soon.